Hiya, welcome back to the channel. Just a short one this. I have just changed the oil on this LCI 335D. So I'm going to turn the ignition on to try and reset the service light. Now if we press this button for a few seconds, then we can scroll through things that, if they're red, I think they need to be reset. Now we've just done the oil, so we get onto that, hold the button down, reset, hold it again, and then leave it for a minute, and this should yes, that's reset. By the way, when I'm saying hold the button, it's that one that says BC on it, and we scroll using this one. So to reset all these service, then we press the button, hold the button, and then we'll leave it for a minute. And that is also reset. So that's how to reset the service intervals on various items. I've not done that one, so I'm not going to reset it, but that's how to reset the various items on an E90. See you next time.